The PlayStation 5 will play PlayStation 5 games and the majority of PlayStation 4 games. To load a disc into it, we need to take the disc out and we need to place it with the picture side facing towards this side of the PlayStation. So, place it in just like so and it will take it in automatically. Now when it comes to eject, there's two ways of doing it. We have a little button here. It's the button above the power button, this little one here, and we can just press that. Or we can eject it via the software. So let me show you it via the software. And to eject it via software, go to the actual game. You can see that there's a little disc there, and then we're going to hit the menu option button, this one here, and then we have an option to eject disc. So move your way down to there and then press X, and you will now see down here the disc will come out. Thanks for watching.